everyone!
Today we'll talk about farming.
Farming is a very old and very important job.
Farmers grow rice, vegetables, and fruits for us.
Look at all these delicious fruits.
They also raise animals like chickens.
And cows. They're so calm. I think farming is a hard-working job.
Farmers have to work under the sun and rain. But it's also very meaningful because they feed us.
And make sure we have fresh food every day. I feel very grateful to farmers.
I believe farming is essential because it provides food for everyone.
And connects us to nature. This fresh apple is so juicy and sweet.
It's incredible to taste food grown right here.
I feel so incredibly grateful for farmers.
Their hard work feeds us every single day.
Farming really connects us to nature.
It's so essential, providing food for everyone.
Can you imagine a world without farmers?
We wouldn't have any of these delicious foods.
So we should always appreciate their hard work.
Farming is truly amazing.
Hello, everyone. I think farming is a very useful job. My grandparents are farmers, you know? They grow many kinds of fresh vegetables here. For example, they grow delicious tomatoes.
And they also grow crisp carrots.
Don't forget the beautiful fresh lettuce. They wake up super early every morning. They water all the plants with so much care.
And they really take good care of them.
Their vegetables are always so fresh and absolutely delicious. This is what fresh tastes like.
And it's so healthy.
I feel so grateful for all this fresh food.
Me too.
It takes a lot of hard work. Farming is such a useful job, isn't it?
Definitely.
It's a lot of effort, but so worth it. And it helps our families save money too.
Exactly. Good food without spending a fortune.
Farming isn't just a job, it's a way of life. It's healthy, rewarding, and inspires us every day. Hi everyone! I think farming is a very interesting job.
You're right, Chloe. Farmers really do raise many different animals on their farms.
For example, they raise chickens for eggs and meat.
And cows are amazing, providing us with milk and beef.
Sometimes they even have pigs and adorable ducks too. I think raising animals is a big responsibility.
Farmers need to feed them every day and keep them healthy. They work so hard from morning till night.
I believe farmers are very important because they provide fresh meat and milk for our daily meals.
Their job is challenging, but it absolutely feeds the world.
We are so thankful for all farmers and their incredible hard work. Farmers work so hard, from morning till night.
It's truly a lot of dedication.
They are incredibly important for our daily lives.
Providing fresh milk, meat, and food for everyone. Their job is challenging, no doubt.
Yet, it feeds the entire world. We are so grateful for their effort.
Every single farmer out there. So, let's all appreciate our amazing farmers.
Thank you for watching!